What's up, guys? We got the fight night coming up. We're getting ready for Miami. We'll be there live. Just figured I'd share a few pics with you that I made for this fight night. I'm not sold on anything completely, but let's go over see what we got. I'm taking for my lock probably Reyes McKee for my lock at plus 123. I also like the under on the Barbosa Belbita fight, under 2.5 rounds. I also parlayed them together, as you can see right here. And then we got my boy picked these just because he liked their goofy names, so I went with it. Can't hurt. Kind of on a down streak, but let's turn it around this week. We got Odie Osborne, and we also got Coronavirus Ramones. So that's what we're rolling with this week. And I think I'm going to rip a pack of cards. Let's see what we got. We got some of these right here. Let's rip these open. I got a bunch of them sitting around. Might give some away. Get some comments going. You know, somebody comments coronavirus. Maybe I'll send them out a pack of cards. See what happens. Trying to get this sucker open. See what we got here. See what we got. Let's rip one of these packs. Let's see what's in one of these packs here. Who do we got? Mathis Nicola. We got a little Izzy. We got some Izzy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm the best. I'm the best. We got Thug Rose. And last but not least, we pull the Gilbert Dorino Burns. Nice little pack rip. Top's finest.